Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. We're heading across the pond to the country of Hungary, and we're going to have Appies with Chappy by the lake. I'm going to try to do, they're called corn ribs. And make sure you stay till the very end. I'll show you my boat tour that I did on the Danube in Budapest. So check it out. All right, for today's Appies with Chappy, we're going to do some corn ribs. There's two ways you can do it. You can have long corn ribs or short corn ribs. I'm going to do short corn ribs just because they're easier to cut. Don't know if that'll help or not. Alright. Oh yeah, that was lickety split. Okay. All right, there's your rib. Alright, I think I mentioned this before. I bought some paprika in a Budapest gift shop, and I paid way too much for it, but this is authentic Hungarian paprika, because we are in Hungary. Alright, we're going to get that on the grill, and then we're going to have corn ribs for Appies with Chappy by the lake, Lake Balaton, Hungary edition. All right, there's my corn ribs. They got lots of char on it, but I kind of like it that way. Now let's give it a little try. Oh yeah. Now there's flavor in the char. Alright, that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar, Lake Balaton edition. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Cops are coming to get me. Okay, well, this is actually for Appies with Chappy by the lake. So let's go check out Lake Balaton in beautiful Hungary. All right, we'll see you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar, Hungry edition. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. What's that? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.